4th of July. Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday, you guys. So I just got back from the store and I'm about to make some macaroni and cheese. I'm gonna have my friend come over. She's making meats and I'm making the sides, which she made more than meat. She made meat. She's bringing the meat. We're gonna grill it here, and she's made what did she say, greens and baked beans, and she made a cake. I'm like, girl, what am I gonna make? So she just told me to just do the macaroni. So I got the macaroni, I got us some drinks, and that's it, because I was like, that's a lot of food for just us. So I'm making the macaroni now, and I'm using Barilla. I love this brand, Barilla. I don't know why, I just like the way it tastes. And yeah, I got some cheese. I got some Gouda cheese, Boar's Head Gouda cheese right here. This is the first time I'm gonna be putting that in there. My sister-in-law normally puts Gouda cheese in her macaroni and cheese, but she puts the smoked Gouda. Well, I didn't get the smoked Gouda. She told me I should have got the smoked Gouda. I didn't know to get that, so I just got the Gouda. I got the extra sharp cheese. I got the Kobe Monterey Jack cheese and sharp cheddar cheese. So those are the 4 different cheeses that I'm putting in my macaroni. I lied, and I got Velveeta cheese, you guys. So those are all the cheeses that I'm gonna put in the macaroni. I have my pot of water that is getting ready to boil right now. And this little kid is about to eat some ice cream. Huh? So yeah, that's what's going on. I hope you guys are having a great 4th of July so far. So far we haven't done anything, and it's already, it's after 3. But we're gonna go by the pool, and I wasn't in a hurry because I didn't want it to be too hot, which today is a perfect day to be outside. It's not too hot, it's not cold, it's like warm. The sun isn't beaming, and it's just like a perfect day to be outside. So I'm happy for that. And then I don't know about fireworks. I think we may go see some fireworks later on, probably tonight sometime. They say fireworks start around 9 here, so this is our first 4th of July here in Georgia, so we'll have to figure that out because I have no idea. So, but yeah, guys, that's what's going on. Babe and Amari. I'll wait for that to start boiling. Anyways, Babe and Amari, they both got haircuts today. Look at this little guy's hair. Is he so fresh and so clean? What kind of ice cream is that, son? I don't know. It's just good. It looks good. Oh, it looks good. And Babe is over here with Miss Lovey. Babe, don't give her no food.
Hey, something jumped on the floor. You know she's gonna eat it. What's up, guys? Why today feel like Friday or Saturday or something?
I don't know. It does.
Wednesday?
But Babe dyed his hair, you guys. He dyed his hair. After y'all told him not to, he did it anyway. He just can't follow directions.
I'm tired of looking old.
Babe, you didn't look old.
I'm looking 63 and I'm only 43.
But you just look well seasoned.
Oh. Well, I'm lightly seasoned right now.
So he got
a splash.
Do it look like he got a helmet on, you guys? Let's see your face. So retarded. He's so silly. I hope you guys seen it, because you know my camera's still broke. I don't know if that thing, y'all know. But anyways, you guys.
The camera broke because she wants her camera broke.
I don't want my camera broke. She
could have been sent her camera in.
I don't want to be without
She wants me to buy her a new camera.
Yes, baby.
Why she still have this broke camera?
Babe, the camera still works.
And it don't work.
It's working. I've been making
I'm just saying,
plenty
but you want
videos.
a new camera so you can continue to give, you know, the subscribers what they want, you know, the content, you know, you want to keep it going.
Yes.
You know, while you send the other one in.
Yes.
Or maybe you can work out a deal with Canon, see if they can send you a loaner.
They ain't doing that.
Because I'm not buying another camera.
We'll see, you guys. Anyways, I am going to be sending my camera in. I don't know if I'm going to do it. I should, oh God, tomorrow would have been the perfect time to get rid of that.
Go ahead, I got it.
To send my camera in because, yeah, tomorrow will just be a great time. And so I probably will still do it if I can get it done in a timely manner, because they did tell me that it wouldn't take that long. So about 5 days. That's lovely, you guys. Anyways, you guys, I am rambling big time, so I will come back when there's more things going on, or when that macaroni and cheese get going. I'll come back and let you guys see how it's coming along.
Happy 4th of July from Nana.
Happy 4th of July.
Just go on over here. Look what my daughter-in-law have made. Oh my goodness, look at that.
You guys, I just took it out the oven. That's our macaroni and cheese. Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
And over here, Nana, you know Nana.
Oh, Nana made a cake, guys.
Yes. It's lemon cake.
We done already ate some, you guys.
Yes.
And it is so good and moist.
Yes,
You put your foot in it.
Hey, you know it.
Yep, so our macaroni is done, you guys. I hope you guys was able to follow the directions, or you know what I tried to put up. So this is kind of like a 2-in-1 video, so it's a bonus for the 4th of July. I gave you guys a little recipe right there. So I know there's a million ways to make macaroni and cheese, but that's just how I do it. And I got that from Sweetie Pie.
4th of July.
Happy 4th of July. Yep, so still waiting for my friend. She says she's almost here with the meat, so we can go downstairs to the pool and hang out and enjoy the rest of our evening, you guys. Cannot wait to eat. And look who's here. Come here, Kizzy. Come on, Kizzy. Come on. Come on. Look who came, Lovey. Hi, Kizzy. Hi, little girl. Say hi. Say hi. Hi, everybody. Look at that face. Remember, guys, she wasn't feeling good. She's all better now. And Lovey, you want to say hi, too? Lovey wants to say happy 4th of July. Happy 4th of July, puppies. And look who's asleep over here, guys. I'm tired. I'm tired, John. So that's what's going on. We just been sitting around. We had us a Mike's Hard watermelon lemonade. It's pretty good. Something sweet to drink. And we've been watching TV. That's it. So in a minute we're gonna go downstairs. But I had to come on to show you guys my macaroni because it smells so good and it looks so good. Can't wait to eat it. You guys, they got that grill sold up over there. Huh? Oh, okay.
What you need, Zizi?
They got the grills.
You want live?
Yes. Well, I'm on my my channel.
Oh yeah, they got it all sold up. They thought they wasn't gonna move over. You're right.
They was
gonna move over for this other party coming in.
Oh my God, there's so many people over there at the grills, but they can't hog the grills. You have to be able to share the grills. But they have like so many people over there, and one grill is available. But I'm thinking that one that he's on don't have no propane in it. And that's probably why it's available.
They ain't said nothing.
They ain't said nothing, but it looked like because he can't get it to start. So one of the grills.
But it was warm though.
It might have ran out. One of the grills don't have. I don't know if it has it or not, but my husband's trying to start the grill, and it's not coming on so far. So I'm thinking that that propane is out because the last time I was at the pool, the propane was out on one grill.
So when it go out, what happened?
And so I don't know how that works because the office is closed. So I don't know, you guys, but it's a lot of people over there. I'll show you guys when we get back. I had to come back to the house so that I can get some paper towels. But they did move over so that we could share. And I told people, you know, we got plenty of food for everybody. Say hi to Khalees, everybody. This is Khalees. This is Ronella's daughter. And she wants to start a YouTube channel too. So I'm trying to encourage her, you guys, to go ahead and do it because why not? She would love it. So we got all this stuff out here, you guys. Baby's over here. Yeah. Oh, okay. She wants to show y'all her food. Look at this cake, you guys.
This is some homemade lemon cake, y'all.
Oh my God. You know Mom made one of them too. A homemade lemon cake.
I don't play with that. The more the merrier.
Yes, it is so good. What is this?
Beans, honey, with our turkey meat in it.
Oh, let's see. You guys, we got so much food. It's sad. Like, and then look at all these people here. It's so many people here. And it's just one big happy family. We thought that was the ladies.
No, that's mine.
Well, she getting that open. Babe got the grill going. He finally got it to work. No. Oh, okay, let me see. Those are beans with the turkey meat. You go, girl.
This is our Costco foil, okay? You don't just take this anywhere, okay?
No.
Keep this by you. This covers up all the big stuff.
Yes.
I don't play when it comes to my foil.
No, and I'm almost out too, so don't leave it. Don't leave it behind.
One of my other friends' house, she stole it. So when I went back to her
That
house,
would be me. You leave it here.
I left my foil. No, you didn't. I said, girl, you don't buy foil, okay?
I do. I buy foil.
This one is coming back home with me, okay?
She better not leave it here because
it's really cheaper, but we got all these big
platters and pans.
We need the big ones.
Oh wait, so you also made what are greens?
The greens are in the car still. We got those greens.
Are you sure they're in the car?
I'm gonna get the greens.
Okay, but what else we got before you go get the greens? No, them is turkey dogs. Babe, you doing all right? You doing okay over here? You cut your hand. Let me see. Yeah, I brought a knife. Yeah. Amari? Do you guys see him go down? Amari. Amari, I'll make sure you don't go. I'll make sure you don't go. I'll make sure you don't go. It's all right. Hide if you want to, son. That's all right. Amari has he had a surprise, but he found out today on accident. He's going to Texas tomorrow, you guys, to see his best friend and godmother. And it was by accident that he found out. He seen a text message come through on my phone. So he knows now, which he would have had to know anyway because he's flying alone. So he just knew one day ahead, but oh well.
Hey, this is this pretty lady. You know Natalie, y'all.
You so silly.
What's going on? It is hot as hell out here.
It's not that bad.
I'm sweating. Already you know I don't sweat. I'm sweating.
She's sweating. She's sweating, y'all. She got on her summer
Yes,
dress
baby.
with
Yes.
leggings.
Yes, with my leggings.
She ain't hot.
Yes, honey.
If you was hot, that wouldn't be, you wouldn't have no leggings
Yes, I
on.
would too.
Oh, she got the greens, you guys. Came right on time.
Girl, they look good. What that greens? I mean, is it turkey? Is it?
Oh my God. Guys, we're about to eat really good.
What make that start like that?
Got it? You guys, look at this. Look at this rain, you guys. Never fails. Every single time I come to the pool, it rains. Every single time.
What's that about?
I have no idea.
We had the last function we was here for. What was it?
It was a Saturday. Oh, Amari's birthday.
It started raining.
It was raining. Every single time I come to the pool, it rains. Yeah, it did cool it down. It did cool it down.
Yeah, right now. This is hot.
So we just hanging out. It is.
Yes.
We just hanging out.
Just hanging out. You show your
Waiting out.
You show your toothbrush, your own cup. This is too cute. Who does that? That's too cute.
That's my cup, you guys. I don't know if I showed you guys this cup I made. I just dolled it up. Nothing special, just a little something. So, Khalees, what you gonna do about your channel, honey? What are you gonna do, sweetie? Are you gonna do it? You got an iPhone? I do. Oh, okay. Yeah, it works. Are you sure? It's not a good reason. Yeah. Yep. Get your camera, girl, or use that phone, or your mama's.
Mine's a 6'2", 6 plus, 6S, whatever.
It works. Yeah. What do you have? A 6 plus or 7 plus? I have a 7 plus, and that camera is really good.
She can upgrade her phone.
Oh, what you
Khalees got money saved. She's acting all cheap.
Khalees got 2 jobs, y'all.
Yeah,
This is a working
my daughter can
girl.
afford her another.
Huh?
She's saving. She can afford
What
it.
are you saving for? Good job. Absolutely.
And good credit. I got her right.
That's right.
I piggyback her on all my stuff.
That's awesome.
Put her name on everything.
That's right. Start them off young.
Even my life
So
insurance
it's so important.
She on everything.
Yeah, that's good. Look at babe taking the break with his mama. I can't wait. Look at mom got her back out, y'all. She got her shoulders up today. Was it good? That hot dog good? You got barbecue sauce on it?
Yeah.
You had barbecue sauce on it? Get it, girl. No, go ahead.
Get it, girl.
Yeah, get it, girl. Get it.
All right.
Get it, Nana.
All right, Nana.
Get it, Nana. Hey. Stand up, Nana. Get it, girl. You better get it. Yeah.
Christian, you better grab my bed now.
Yeah.
Christian, Bob, dancing.
I don't know how to. Don't worry.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay. You got it. That right, Nana?
You better tear it up, Nana. You better get it, girl. Oh, God. Big shish vibes going on here. Nella, you did good, girl. Yes, babe, you're doing a good job. It is. You over here sweating, all that. You trying to focus. You can't even talk to me, huh? Too hot? Be focused, you guys. Look at these ribs. She over here cutting up. Mom over here dancing. She's the life of the party, y'all. All of these young folks. Go, Nana. Did it, Nana. Did it, girl. I can't. Hands over here. That's hot water. Amari.
Come here, you're too young, girl. You are too young for this, honey.
Wants to see him, Amari, so she videotape him.
Let me see you.
Can you see him?
Yeah.
He's running away.
You guys be careful.
Okay.
Be careful, Amari. Amari, come here. Amari. Come here, son.
It's no hurt. It's touching my finger. It's no hurt.
You gotta be careful.
I don't.
Where is affordable?
We first met, girl. The police live up.